All right. This is Bruce. If you guys didn't know, I do risk management framework. I have courses on risk management framework, how to get into cybersecurity, and lots of other things on the way. And I'm hard at work with some other new courses that should be coming out really soon. I got some on how to dating site scams. I've got a couple for that. I've got some on CAP, ISC, Squared. I've got some for cyber. I would like to do some for cyber threat analysis, and then some for ethical hacking. There's a whole bunch that I'm gonna do for NIST 800. What you're looking at is the beginning stages of courses. I got a lot more stuff planned, but it's just going to take me a while to develop all this stuff that's coming out. There's going to be free stuff, so if you sign up for free right now, every now and then I'll put out free stuff. Sometimes I'll give like crazy discounts. Militant says, I don't understand the thumbs down vote. You offer help. Shaking my head. Oh, this is for the one I just released today for the remote telework in Canada. That's a good video, by the way. You should check that one out, especially if you're looking for remote work, any kind of remote work, anywhere. I walk you through the basics of what I do. If you want an in-depth breakdown of everything you need to do for a remote job, finding a remote job, keeping a remote job, how I've been able to work remotely for the last 4 years, 5 years straight. I can't get my numbers straight, but since 2014, I've been working solid. It was 2014? Like 2015, I don't know. It's been like 5 years. But before that, I had jobs too that was remote. If you're interested in that and going super deep in it, and I actually help you directly, then go to this course right here, Find IT Remote Work. I add to it every now and then and keep you updated on like my searches for jobs or anything I find new on the job markets. But it's red one right here. This is the one you want to go to right here if you're interested. But if you want free stuff, you can't afford it right now. I understand, like, budget's tight. I got free stuff, the basics of how to get into IT, and that's this one right here, the one I just released this morning about how to get a remote job. Tells you the basics of what you need if you're serious about it. So let me see, what else do we got going on? Please keep doing these videos, very helpful. Good to know. I'm glad people are getting something out of these videos I'm doing. That's what keeps me doing them. Somebody said thank you. Somebody else said thank you about the ring.com stuff.